What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Phantom here and you are watching Pointab Lab. You know what, before we start the video, why don't you drop a like and hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification icon para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos na ina-upload ko. So yun nga, hindi na kita iistorbohin. Go ahead, watch my video, enjoy, just chill, ciao! Kamusta kayo dyan? It's your boy Phantom here and welcome back to another video. At ang gagawin natin ngayong araw na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo ma-install ang ginagamit kong game engine na pag-develop ng game, which is Unreal Engine 4. Pero bago tayo magsimula, I really recommend na basahin mo muna yung 5% royalty fee tungkol sa pag-publish or kung may plano kang mag-publish or mag-ship ng game na gawa sa Unreal Engine 4 for public distribution. So the link is in the description below. Just click that link para madirect ka sa page na yung topic ay tungkol sa 5% royalty fee. And once you're decided to use Unreal Engine 4, then follow this tutorial para ma-download at ma-install na natin ang ating Unreal Engine 4. So go ahead also, the link is provided in the description. So i-click mo lang yung link na yun para makita mo or madirect ka sa page na nakikita mo sa screen mo ngayon. And once you are on that page, just click on Get Started Now. At madadirect ka sa page na kung saan kailangan mong gumawa ng account kung wala ka pang account. If you already have an account, then feel free to skip this part, and if you don't, then go ahead and watch this tutorial. So first is napaka-basic lang actually. Just create an account, first name, last name, display name or your username. Tapos your email, put your email here and then gawa ka na ng password mo para sa account na to, and then check these boxes here. I would like to receive latest news and information on this product. So basically, ano yan? For example, every time na may update, may latest news ang ating Unreal Engine 4, they will send you an update on your email regarding these updates and news or articles tungkol sa ating game engine. And also, ito yung pinaka-importante, click I have read and agree to the terms of service. And then once you're done, click on create account. And then once you're done with creating your account, mag-sign in ka lang, click on sign in, and then madadirect ka sa page na nakikita mo ngayon. Alright, and once you're on this page, ang kailangan natin ay ang game for game developers para makapag-start tayo mag-develop ng game at makita nyo rin at makasunod na kayo sa mga tutorials na tutorial videos na ina-upload ko sa channel na to. So once it's done, just click on proceed to download. And then magda-download na siya ng ating Epic Games Launcher na kung saan natin i-download ang ating Unreal Engine 4. And nga pala guys, feel free, I'm gonna go ahead and skip this part and jump into the installation. Okay, so pagkatapos nung ma-download ang ating Epic Games Launcher, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is just go ahead and run the program. I-click mo lang to para mag-pop up yung window na nakikita mo ngayon, which is the Epic Games Launcher setup. So ang gagawin natin, just click on install para ma-install ang ating Epic Games Launcher na kung saan natin i-download ang ating Unreal Engine 4. At nga pala guys, nakikita nyo sa akin na Epic Games Launcher is currently running on the background. Yung dahilan is tapos na kasi ako mag-install or tapos ko na ma-install ang ating Epic Games Launcher. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this one. Pero para sa iyo, just go ahead and continue on the installation. And then once you're done, click on finish at i-launch mo lang ang ating Epic Games Launcher. Katulad nito. At nga pala guys, go ahead and log in to Epic Games Launcher gamit yung account na ginawa mo kanina na pan-download sa ating Epic Games Launcher. So once you log in, just click on Unreal Engine at makikita mo itong page nito, which is join us for GDC 2019, Answer Hub, blah blah blah. At ang kailangan natin puntahan ay just go ahead and click on Library. Tapos pagkatapos na nandito ka na sa library, just go ahead and click on engine version at makikita mo dito mo na pwedeng i-install ang ating Unreal Engine 4. So go ahead and click this 4.20.3 para makakapili ka or you can choose what engine or version of the engine yung gusto mong i-install. So for this one, I really recommend na i-install mo muna yung 4.20.3 kasi currently ito yung pinaka-stable na version at yung 4.22.0 it is still in beta testing or it's still in testing period, kaya I really recommend na go with 4.20. So just click on 4.20 and click on install and then just wait for this window to pop up. At dito mo lang pipiliin kung saan mo siya gustong i-install. Or basically, this is where the directory or ito yung kung saan mo gustong i-install or yung path kung saan mo may install ang ating Unreal Engine 4. So para sa akin, okay na yan at I'm just gonna go ahead and click on create shortcut para every time na gusto kong i-launch ang aking Unreal Engine 4, hindi ko na kailangang buksan pa ang ating Epic Games Launcher. So go ahead and click on install. And then i-install na sa'yo ang ating Unreal Engine 4 and you can go ahead and start. Pagkatapos ng installation, you can go ahead and launch it katulad nito, launch, and then you can go ahead and start developing your own game. And also you can now follow or makakasunod ka na sa mga tutorial videos na ina-upload ko sa channel na to. And that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Also, click that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification icon para lagi kang updated every time I will upload a new video. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description below. So that's pretty much about it. I'll see you in the next one.